Hey guys, Gary G back for another video, and today I'm going to do something really special. Today I'm going to be touching up a little paint spot on this F-Type. About a week ago or 2 weeks ago, I did a 5-year marine ceramic coating on this, and I noticed that there was a scratch on the mirror. I'm going to go ahead and take care of that for the customer today. So as always, if that's something you're interested in, make sure you stick around. I'm going to go ahead and show you my process. One disclaimer I want to make: I am not telling you this is how you do it. This is how I've done it. The results that I have been able to get with this have been pretty good, so I'm comfortable with selling it in my business. So come on with me, let's go. What we are using, we got exact color match, we got a clear coat, we got a color coat, right? There's the color code if you need it. And then we're going to use one of these bad boys. These are like a little thimble with a little point on it, and we're going to tap on the mirror here. Here's the scratch, right? We're going to come in and we are going to tap in that paint to try to get it as even as possible. All right, so towel with just a little bit of P&S paint prep, right? I want to clean up the area, obviously. And I'm going to fold the towel over, lightly dry it off. I'm going to put the paint in the thimble, and we are going to get at it. So to get this primed, so you see it's got paint inside it, you're going to want to tap on something to prime it. Make sure it's in there. As you can see, it's already kind of in there, right? You're getting paint on here. And we're just going to tap away until we fill that scratch. So being very gentle, again, just going to tap it. So there is the paint color. That is the exact paint color. Once it dries, it's going to look a little bit better. Right now I'm going to let it dry, let it level itself out, and then I'm going to see if I have to do a tiny little bit of wet sanding on top, or if not. I think because of where it's at, it's really not going to be a big deal. This is just compliments for the customer. They're not paying for this. If it soaks it in and there's a little divot in the crack, meaning it's like below the crack like this, then what I'm going to have to do is come in and do a second coat. So right now I'm going to let it dry. Okay, so this is after the first coat. You can still see it. It's right here. You gotta wait 15 minutes. We're gonna start tapping in some more color. On the top side of the scratch here. I'm gonna wait another 15 minutes. And we're gonna see how that settles in. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes. You can see there's the scratch there. I'm gonna come back out, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it with a clear coat. A clear coat and a tiny little swab. Here's the clear coat here. Here's the little swab. I'm going to just barely put a little bit of clear coat on here. Again, what I'm trying to do is very small, light, little applications. Very small, precise. You want to put a tiny bit outside of the scratch. Just like that. All right, guys, so that's it. I hope that was helpful for you. Like I said, I'm not a professional as far as touch-up goes. Touch-up, remember, is just to try to take the eye off of the scratch. I mean, if you want it perfect, there's guys out there that can do it. I've seen videos. I'm not at that level. Like I said, I just offered this to the customer complimentary because I noticed it, and we just ceramic coated the vehicle, so I want to make sure it looks as good as possible. But it is right here. When I come back for the next wash, which is probably going to be about 2 weeks, I'm actually going to put just a tiniest little bit of ceramic coating back over the top just to make sure that every inch is still protected on the vehicle. So if you want any of the products that we're using in the video, the syringe, types of paint or anything like that, the ceramic coating, which I said is Jade Marine Pro, that I put on this entire F-Type here, I'm going to go ahead and link it in the description. It is an affiliate link. Of course, I make a couple of cents really, but it is helping the channel, so I would really appreciate it if you guys buy through those links. So thank you as always to my Stay Slick fam. I appreciate you guys. You guys have a good one, right? Peace. Stay slick. Let's get it.